Okay, we're going to activate the auto driving feature of the BYD Atto 3. Now, as you can see here, it is ACC on. That means it's started. Right now, I'm just going to increase the speed here, sort of let it drive by itself. Right. In Malaysia, obviously, one of the safety features is you have to put your hand on the steering wheel. Otherwise, it'll tell you to please hold the steering wheel. Right. Another thing with Malaysian roads is sometimes you can't see the lines very clearly, and so the car cannot see it very clearly as well. Another good feature about the BYD auto control is you can set the distance between the front car and your car, right? So I can actually reduce my distance so that it does not mind going nearer to the other car. Let's try another feature, which is changing the lanes. Okay, now I'm going to change lanes. Okay, let's see whether it can do it by itself.
5 hours later.
I'm not sure why it's not doing it. Oh, it's steering out. It's steering out. Okay, it's not very suitable for the Malaysian roads, right? Yeah, that's about it.